What's up, everybody? It's Private Profits Trading. I know it's been a while since I came out with a new video, but I'm coming right back to you like I never left. We're working super hard on a few projects. Got a lot going on. Got a lot I'm building out. For all our members and participants, make sure you get into the live trading room every morning. 4 times a week, we going live. Best signals of the entire session. Cash in 60 minutes or less. Trade less, make more. That's what it's all about. So today's video, relating trading to gambling. Are you trading or are you gambling? That is the question. So make no mistake about it. Trading is not the same thing as gambling. In gambling, no matter how good you are, the house always holds the edge. No matter how much practice, study, and participating in gambling activities, you will never get the edge over the house. So you can come close to a 50-50 payoff, but will never stack the odds in your advantage. The only exception to this is poker, where you're playing directly against the other opponents at the poker table. However, even those odds and payoffs are reduced if you're playing at a casino and take into consideration the rake, or the house's cut for every hand. So in trading, the house has no advantage over you. Like in poker, you're competing against other market participants. Every time you buy a stock, someone is selling it to you. Every time you sell or short a stock, someone is buying from you. With a superior trading strategy, proper trade management, proper position sizing, proper money management, and the discipline to execute your strategy to its fully potential, a trader can hold an edge over other traders. I'll say that again. A trader can hold an edge over other traders. However, some traders equate trading to gambling. This leads them to take unnecessary risks and not be fully prepared for a career as a full-time trader. It's important for a trader to ask themselves why they're choosing to be a trader. There are many reasons why a person would attempt to trade, but there are some reasons that are a sign they're trading for the wrong reason. So ask yourself, are you truly passionate about stocks in the stock market? This will be evident by you reading market-related articles, books, and newspapers. Are you knowledgeable and follow other markets such as currencies, bonds, and commodities? Most traders that are passionate about the stock market understand the connection between all markets and the opportunities they present. So let's check out Mark. So Mark started trading with us and never had a profitable week. He was done trading in 2 months. He called us to give us a new forwarded address to send his exit paperwork. Mark said, "Here's my new address. I'm moving to Vegas." I thought I could successfully trade stocks after they shut down all the online poker sites, but apparently trading stocks is a lot harder than I thought. I'm going to become a full-time poker player in Vegas. So what's the lesson in this? Mark was trying to substitute trading for online poker. There was an influx of new traders after the U.S. government closed online poker to U.S. residents. All of them failed. The allure to former poker players was an online environment that was open Monday through Friday, and I'm sure a lot of them also opened Forex accounts so they could trade 24 hours. These traders obviously had no passion for the market, and in their eyes were substituting one gambling activity with another. Most did little prep work. Most had no strategy necessary to be profitable. So 180 trade. Perhaps the most blatant and specific sign that a trader is gambling is what I call the 180 trade. The 180 trade happens in the following situation. A trader is in a position that's going against him. Let's assume it's a short position. The trader reaches the point where she covers her short position by buying the stock back. Whether or not she exited the position based on the rules of her strategy, or if she ignored her stop price, is irrelevant. Once the trader is now flat, she immediately goes long the stock. Not based on any strategy, but solely on the rationale that if you can't beat them, join them. The trader's thought process is if the stock is going up, she might as well be long since the short position didn't work. In other words, she did a complete 180 on the trade, going short and then the opposite direction, going long. More times than not, the opposite position doesn't work out either, and the trader just winds up losing more money. It's easy to see that this trade is a sign the trader is just gambling. They are entering a position not based on any strategy. There are other signs that will indicate you relate trading to gambling. Ask yourself if you feel anxious outside of trading hours. Do you spend your evenings and weekends restless and jittery, just waiting for the market to open again? Do you now trade Forex as well as stocks? There's nothing wrong with trading Forex. However, this might be a sign that you're addicted to trading, which is usually an indication that you relate trading to gambling and are in it for the rush of the action. So when you're reviewing your trading log, are you seeing signs of overtrading? Are you abandoning the rules of your strategy and initiating positions that are not optimal setups? These activities might be an indication that you're just trading because you crave the action. So when reviewing your logs, are you ignoring your stop price and keeping your positions on? Even though your strategy calls for getting out of the position, this could be because you're now hoping your position works out. Gamblers keep bad positions on and hope things will work out for them. Traders get out of bad positions and either move on or reevaluate. And lastly, are you taking more risk than you should be? Are you putting on all-in positions that might cause you to lose all your money if the trade doesn't work out? Are you entering positions right before an earnings or economic number release just because you want to be involved in the volatility that's most likely going to take place? Again, these actions are signs that you're gambling. So, in summary, trading is not gambling. Unfortunately, whether consciously or unconsciously, many traders are really just gambling. Only by asking yourself the questions that we just went over can you determine if you are gambling or trading. So, if you find yourself gambling, stop. Stop right now, and you will save yourself from losing all of your money. So, let's decide if we are trading or we are gambling. And if we are gambling, what can we do to overcome this madness? If you want to talk more about it, make sure you schedule a discovery call with us. Go to www.privateprofitstrading.com. Look at the top of the website. Click on the contact button. Let's hop on a brief call and let's go over what is and what's not working. Let us give a better idea of what you're doing and why it's not working. And hopefully we can give you some insights, some tips on how you cannot or how you can stop gambling in the markets. Happy trading.